This is a new series covering the performance of each strategy in the wannabe quant strategy selection. This is strategy number 3. There'll be a link below of all the backtests that I've done on currently FTMO and IC markets. This is a public Google Drive, so you can access all the backtests and the symbols that I was using. If you go to IC markets or whatever folder, there'll be files with .txt. So this video we're covering strategy 3, and I used these symbols for IC markets, and the performance was okay. I was using tons of symbols for this, so the performance is smoother. But using strategy 3 on FTMO was pretty it was break even. So this is only using about 15 or 12 symbols, but IC Markets was using a lot more. And this is generally just a bit of luck trading. This has so far been the worst strategy, so we're not starting off good here, but it will improve. In the IC Markets folder, if you scroll down, you can find strategy 3. You can find the full backtest report. Is usually a .html file. Double click, and you won't be able to see it, but you click open with Google Chrome at the top. So for strategy 3, you can see all of the inputs that I used. So strategy 3 is just here. You can change these inputs to whatever you would like to improve or make the backtest worse. And you can change whatever symbols you use as well. So there you go. Here was the IC Markets one. I can close that, and then I'll go over to and click on wannabe quant, FTMO, find strategy 3 again, open the file, open with Chrome. Here's the FTMO strategy test. Scroll down to inputs. And they're the same as the IC markets, I believe. And then there's the performance. When I do the backtesting and optimization, I'm looking for statistical significance. So this one may have been bad, but the other one was better, because I'm looking for a range of stocks. So if you had more stocks, you would be making more trades. The more trades you have, that's more statistically significant. So I could have had, on the FTMO, I could have had different settings and better performance, and maybe it would have only made 50 trades just for these symbols, which wouldn't have been statistically significant. So I could have over optimized it for FTMO, but that's just not what I do. Now I'll show you the FTMO symbols. It was the performance graph again. FTMO symbols for the strategy 3 was this. So very few, just because FTMO doesn't have many stocks. Hope you found this video helpful. This is strategy 3. I hope you watch the next one. See ya.